Всем привет! Спасибо, что посетили мой канал. В этом видео хочу поделиться с вами, как сделать вот такую вот замечательную валентинку из пластиковой бутылки. Смотрите этот ролик, повторяйте и радуйте своих родных и близких в этот замечательный праздник, предстоящий День Святого Валентина. Кому было полезно видео, ставьте лайки. И подписывайтесь на мой канал, так как дальше будет все самое интересное. Будет очень много видеоразборов вот таких вот необычных подарочков. Приятного просмотра!
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and I'm breaking in two. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling like a secret I can keep. I'm letting it go, I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. There's no place left to hide where your memory and found me Tonight, there's nothing left to dream. And this broken lullaby is all that's left to sing. I keep waiting for you, I can't make it without you next to me. Oh no, no, no. Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and
low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
still flying with a loss of faith, and I'm still trying. Got stereotype radios turn me down cause I won't turn up on the mic. I'd rather rap about my life and give advice to someone who's about to give up on life that's real. Man, fuck how you feel, independent cause I don't need a deal. Picked up the mic and I put down the pills. Picked up the vice, I don't care how I feel. Remember my grandpa passed away and it killed my dad. I saw life is in promise, so I made a promise that I'll pursue my dreams no matter how they feel. They said that I can't, took out the T into a T, I killed it. Made sacrifices, always working OT. When they callin', I was feeling all eyes on me when I decided to step in the building. Fuck that radio music you listen to, I spit that real shit. In high school I was unpopular, never fit in with the cool kids. They were busy partying and making a bunch of excuses. I stood home building my craft, I had a dream I'm pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got to relate to me. You don't have to have hate for me. You don't have words to say to me. You don't even have to pray for me, do you? Cause I'll do me until the day that I'm through. Remember back then, backstabbing friends told me to not to. Remember they said that if you need me, then I got you. When I needed you, mostly were ghosts. And you left me feeling empty. And then I lost hope. You want me to fight, how can I cope? Slowly realizing my friends come and go. Finding myself at the end of the road. I'm dying inside, but live like I won't. The top is getting closer, or those beneath me are getting farther. Every day I'm growing older. I see that I'm not a part of society. They're eyeing me, dying for me to fall apart. Cause I have a chance and they miss theirs cause I'm working harder. I was a part of the kids at school asking why don't they like us. It's like we don't exist, we're there, but they do not mind us. I'm a little mental, it's okay to dream while you are mindfucked. Spreading both of my wings, I wanna fly, but